Opening scene, dawn in the forest. Soft light breaks through the trees. The forest awakens slowly. Every breath of wind, every chirp of a bird, signals the beginning of a new day in a world untouched by time. This is not just nature. This is life, ancient, resilient, and endlessly beautiful. Introducing the ecosystem. Beneath the canopy lies a network of life, where everything is connected. The soil speaks in silence, feeding roots, storing memory. From the tiniest ant to the soaring hawk, each creature plays its part in the forest's eternal rhythm. This delicate harmony holds secrets still unknown to mankind. Wildlife close up. A rustle in the ferns. A flash of fur. The forest is home to countless species, each adapted perfectly to its environment. Deer move like shadows, insects hum their coded messages, and frogs sing in hidden ponds. Even predators tread with care here, for balance is sacred. The power of trees. Towering trees, some older than empires, stretch toward the sky. Their leaves breathe life, filtering air for the world beyond. They speak in chemical whispers, warning neighbors of threats, sharing sunlight. The forest doesn't grow, it listens, reacts, remembers. Seasons of the forest. In spring, the forest bursts into bloom, a celebration of renewal. Summer brings abundance and buzzing energy. Autumn paints everything gold, red, and amber, a moment of quiet transformation. And in winter, the silence deepens. But beneath the frost, life waits. Hidden worlds. Dig deeper, and you'll find microcosms. Mossy stones hide tiny worlds. Fungi, lichens, and beetles create networks underfoot. Even decaying logs are a live home to 1,000 stories never seen by human eyes. Human connection. For thousands of years, humans lived in harmony with forests, hunting, gathering, worshiping. Even now, we return here for peace. The forest restores. It reminds us that we are not separate from nature, we are a part of it. Closing reflection. Listen to the forest. It speaks without words. It teaches patience, balance, and beauty. To walk among the trees is to walk within the past, present, and future. This is forest life. Alive, breathing, eternal.